Okay, we've come to see this 3-storey townhouse just a couple of 100 metres from the main square in Alhama de Granada. Its current layout is 4 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, 2 kitchens, 2 lounges, a dining room, a nice entrance hallway and a very large garage, plus additional store workshop at the back. Double glazing throughout the property, nice balconies off the rooms at the front, and although the property was last reformed possibly in the 80s, the condition is absolutely outstanding. The old lady, who's sadly not with us anymore, kept this house to an extremely high standard, as you'll see as we go out. The property is going on the market today at 95,000 euros, and I would certainly recommend a viewing with a potential for a fabulous home here in Andalusia. Okay, this is the entrance hallway from the main street. Very pretty. Door through there into the incredibly large garage and store. Okay, fabulous marble stairs that take us up to the main living area. Traditional granadino blue and white tiles in the entrance hall, and this double door from the street. And as we showed briefly there, the door into the garage, which I'll quickly show you. Okay, so as we saw from the front of the house, full-size garage door with great height. Once you come inside the garage, again you would be forgiven for seeing the furniture thinking it doesn't look traditionally like a garage, but a lot of these spaces, especially for generations that didn't drive, these were garage doors wide open on summer evenings, and this is very much a social space for all the neighbours to come together. Okay, the descendants of the family, the younger generations that are now selling the property, have come from the catering trade and are using this area to store some of their equipment until the property is sold. So we've got another area here, which is this storage area through from the garage. So definitely room for at least 1, if not 2 vehicles in here. And then there's a couple of steps up into what would have been stable areas. But I just found the light. Okay, so we've got the old stone sink in the corner. As you can see, the floors above have all been replaced at some time. I suggest during the 80s, looking at the decoration of the property with all great solid concrete beams and vigas, and hopefully the camera will go up with us and you can see up through this wonderful central light well, which each floor is wrapped around until we get to the roof terrace. Okay, as you can see, door not quite full on here. This would have been the quadra, the place where we kept the mule, with enough space for him or her to stick their head out and say hi. And coming back down into the garage space, which I'm sure you'll agree, all tile floors, electric and water in here. Is a great space, and this door takes us through into the entrance hall. Okay, from the entrance hall, as we arrive at the first floor, we see, again, you'll see on each floor everything is wrapped around this wonderful atrium, again made for different generations on each floor. We have a small kitchen on this floor with a gas hob under the stainless steel hood there. The original wall units and base units from the 80s, and with a good larder off the kitchen space there. Again, some of the older traditional tiles all the way through. a lot of the things that are in the house are of a 70s and 80s period, but it is immaculate. Everything in the house has been just looked after amazingly well. Okay, so we come round to the main living floor, I beg your pardon, got carried away there. Into a lounge, dining room, living room here. There's another bedroom through there, and here there's a very presentable bathroom, which is fully tiled with loo, bidet, nice vanity unit with lights, and there is a walk-in shower behind those screens there. Back into the living dining room. I'll show you the bedroom first. Good size bedroom. Okay, window here is just bringing light, as this one particularly backs over onto a neighbour's outside space, so it's frosted glass. It does bring some nice natural light in, but it also means it's private. Again, original floor tiles throughout, a lot of the cute original built-in cupboards, and as you can see, enough space for a good double bed and quite a lot of bedroom furniture, including wardrobes and tall boy drawers. Not sure what we call these, but certainly a substantial piece of furniture. Going through the dining room again, stairs up to the top floor, which we'll see in a minute, and then the main lounge in the house. Okay, again, it's very, very traditional, built-in cupboards, great floors throughout, opening double doors, which are all double glazed throughout the property. Hopefully you can see that. And balconies onto the street. We are just about 150 metres from the main square, and then the house goes up and out to the countryside at the top of the street. So it's double fronted. The balconies that you can see to my left, and this balcony off this floor, as you can see, get very pretty with flowers. And as would be traditional for this age group, another large bedroom directly off this lounge area. Great size bedroom, great floors, whole thing in good condition. Again, double glazed windows here, double opening with the balcony, and once again plenty of room for bedroom furniture and the wardrobes. So this is the main floor. We take you up to floor number 2. Okay, as we arrive on the top floor of this wonderful original townhouse with its very unique and quirky layout, we see ahead of us there we've got a bathroom before coming into another lounge and kitchen area. Everything as you've seen on the floor before is wrapped around this atrium light well that goes all the way to the bottom, as we've seen. Obviously these houses were designed for multi age group living, with families staying together in the traditional home. So we've got a bathroom here. The owners tell me that the bathrooms and the kitchen in the house are like new, and they're absolutely correct. However, it was 1980 when they were new, but the lady that actually lived here herself never had any children. She's lived here on her own, and everything is absolutely impeccable. It's very, very retro, but it's really, really nice. Okay, so there's a bathroom on this floor. Stepping through from the top of the stairs into a lounge. So a decent sized lounge, again with the same original floors, which are in fabulous condition. They are really, really good and solid. I'm not lightweight, and these floors don't move one little bit when you walk across them, which is quite unusual. So the lounge, again, decorated and furnished as you can imagine, as the sadly old lady left it, with her copper trinkets and painted plates, but it's really, really charming, with rooms off either side from the stairs. And this would have been one of the original kitchens in the house, with a fireplace there, with a chimney that does go up. This fireplace would work. Even the fridge is incredibly retro. And there is an original pantry off this space, which has quite a good bit of storage in. So back out of the lounge into a lovely, lovely bright bedroom, a fabulous double bedroom, again with the very recent double glazed units and with built-in shutters. Again here bringing light in from the front of the property. And there's another bedroom. This lady actually used this as a sewing room and used to do a little bit of sewing and dressmaking and things for the neighbours. But as you can see, with the walls and the ceiling, the whole place is in fabulous condition. I don't think it will be too difficult here to open some of this space up to a living floor under the terrace. Again, try and imagine these as spaces. You can make with them what you will. Stairs here go up solely to the roof terrace, and then across the back of here, next door to where the bathroom was, is a little makeshift kitchen with an electric water heater, washing machine. And again, if you wanted to make a good living floor, you could actually knock this through to the bathroom if you don't need bedrooms on this floor. You have all your plumbing if you wanted to arrange this differently. We have no rooms hanging over other parts of other people's houses. It's a very straight up and down property as far as build's concerned. So the potential here to work with a really good solid construction is incredible. Okay, I'll take you up to the terrace. Okay, this is the staircase leading up to the terrace. As you can see, what the Spanish refer to as hydraulic tiles, which are the original all handmade tiles. These will outlast the town, but a proper staircase with banister rail. Okay, here we are, top of the shop, the terrace. No great stunning views, I'm afraid, but it is a good sized terrace. It's got some blinds that roll down on here. I've got half of them up for you, so we can see the actual full floor space. Water out in the corner for plants up here. Good solid terracotta floor, very good condition, no signs of broken tiles. And there would have been at some time. Looks like there's been some wiring up here too, which the wiring might need updated up here, but the rest of the house is pretty good, so it might just need some new cabling on here, but there is power to this. We've got most of the roof, which is corrugated plastic, and a little bit of corrugated asbestos, which are actually full sheets. For me personally, I'd probably raise this up a little bit to the same height as the other, and maybe open all this terrace up and put a canopy on, which will give a great space. Okay, that's the terrace.